What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to make your own Ayurvedic hair growth oil. You're going to need the following items. So I'm going to go step by step. You're going to need vitamin E oil, and you can use whatever oil of your choice. You do not have to use the same brands that I use. You could actually use whatever brand that you would like. You're going to need sweet almond oil. You're going to need grapeseed oil. And you're gonna need some herbal hair mix, and you can get that from Amazon. And you're gonna need some Jamaican black castor oil, and that's about all the oils that you're gonna need. Okay, you got that? That's vitamin E oil, jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, and Jamaican black castor oil. And this Ayurvedic herbal mix that I'm using, you can get it from Amazon. It looks like this. I just wanted to show you guys the top of the package so that y'all could see what it looks like. All the 18 vital herbs are listed on the front of it, and it said it's 100% pure. So you're gonna do half a cup of all the big bottles of oils that you have. So that's like the grapeseed oil, the sweet almond oil, the jojoba oil. You're gonna do half a cup. So that's equal parts of all the oils, okay? Equal parts. The only one that I didn't use half a cup is the vitamin E oil, obviously, because it's so small. For the vitamin E oil, you could just use like about 1/4 of a cup. Yep. And then, as you can see, I have a pot, and I'm going to bring all the oil, not to a boil, but just when it's like heated up, then that's it. I don't want it like bubbling up too much. I just cover it, bring it to a boil. Then I'm gonna go ahead and pour the oil into the herbal hair mix, and that is pretty much it. Very easy, very simple. This is how you make the Ayurvedic hair growth oil, and you just let that cool off before you close it. Just let it cool off, and that's about it. And you apply it to your scalp and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Open eye, feel the way.